It's really a double-edged sword because it's like the perfect carbon to nitrogen ratio as far as manure goes. But a lot of times horses are fed Bermuda grass, which you do not want Bermuda seed in your crops.
Yeah.
They're also fed dewormers all the time too, and that messes with soil biology. So I guess I would figure out what's going on with these horses, what they're fed and stuff.
Yeah, it's just one, like the woman who owns the property, they have one horse.
One horse.
It's not like a commercial
And 3 mini donkeys.
enterprise. Yeah.
It's like a hobby
It's like
thing.
yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Couple pet ducks. It's very homestead, not
Fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I mean,
worth finding out. Yeah.
yeah, find out. And then just before you apply that to like a huge area, I would test it out on some plants.
Yeah.
Or like the hay, a lot of times, like they'll feed them hay that was sprayed with Graze on or some herbicide. And then like that's a
Right.
huge problem here in the South because there's so much herbicides used, and then there'll be herbicide damage on their plants.